Good morning!
Good morning.
Elisha is going to cook. This is our recipe today. Shrimp with butter. We have here SPRITE. We mix the SPRITE, onion, tomato paste or tomato sauce, butter. Kalahati lang siya or half. Then we have here garlic. It's like 1 cloves. And also we have ground pepper. And of course, the shrimp, my favorite. Elisha's favorite. And also we have here lemon. We can put, if you don't like, you can. And if you like, you can. Okay, so let's start to cook now. We put our butter and then put our onion, habang natutunaw pa yung butter, then mix, then we put our garlic, any garlic, then mix garlic and onion. If brown na siya, pwede mo na ilagay yung shrimp.
Kasi brown na siya, hindi siya orange.
Yan, I like more garlic. So, pag hindi nyo naman gusto ng maraming garlic, pwede nyo kuntian lang siya. Pero, mas masarap siya pag maraming garlic. Kasi ano siya, shrimp with garlic.
Garlic?
Yes, with butter.
Yes, butter now!
Until brown.
Brown.
Then we put our shrimp. This
Yeah.
become orange. Yummy.
Yeah, it's so tasty. I love that.
Very delicious.
Yeah, it's so...
You like it, Elisha?
Yeah. I like this.
Yeah, we put our ground pepper or black pepper or paminta in Tagalog.
Oh, you're so spicy.
Yeah, I like many pepper and
I don't know.
paminta.
I see my mouth is so fire. Brown, my fire. My mouth.
Then
What's the next now? This one. Oh.
we put our tomato sauce
So it is so.
to make sweeter.
Wow, it's so awesome tomato ketchup. It's so yummy.
Yeah, become sweeter.
Yeah, that's good like children and it's so really smell it.
And become orange. And we put the sugar or tomato sauce or salt if you want a little.
Oh yeah, I started ready. Time to go to bed. I'm done going to bed. I'm so many fruits and there. I'm so hungry.
We put our salt, rocky salt.
Wow, it's so the water and shop and there. rocking show.
The rocky salt.
Yeah, feels like it's rocking show. Like this. Wait, I just got
And of course, put our Sprite. Para siya sweet. Para sweet. And
You're careful, you're careful.
yeah.
Please.
Diba? Look yummy.
It's so yummy. Let's Sprite.
Tastes so good.
What's like that's my cup. Where's my cup? Cup.
Yeah.
Where's my cup? Where's
Wow.
my cup, Tita? Where's my cup?
Yum.
Where's my taste that? Maybe
Like Sprite?
yeah, it's so yummy.
Okay, you drink it. So, yan. Papakuluin muna natin siya. Then, after that,
Oh, that is coming now. No, it's so full now. I don't know what's happening. Like, I don't know.
done cooking. So, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.